close. Holy shit. We would end up in the water. I really, really don't want to do that.
What do you want? Caps?
Land, that's land.
其實喺 World Tour 開始之前，我哋一家人去參加咗 survival training， 去應付今次嘅挑戰。
Normal altitude overland, I don't want to go more than 8,000.
Yeah, you don't need to enough sweat.
Yeah, I don't want to use oxygen. 一個 experience 俾你去試下，真係突然間反轉咗係有啲咩感覺啦，同埋你喺漆黑中你點樣可以用靠隻手去摸翻條路出嚟，或者係點樣去救到側邊嗰個 co-pilot 啊，或者其他乘客。
November 994 Charlie Echo, we're in the right downwind runway 24 over the water.
A little close, you can get out a little bit. You can start your descent now as well.
Oh, yeah.
Just skim over the top. Alright, don't get going too slow now. Still all the same speeds. Then just keep your descent.
Let's turn.
Yep, it's gonna have to be steep, so pitch down and put in those flaps.
November 994 Charlie Echo is on short final runway 24.
A little bit of power, there you go. There you go. Nice. Alright, and then that's our only taxiway, so we've got to slow down.
Affirmative, we'll be overnight and then hoping to leave tomorrow morning depending on weather for
This is scary. Yep. Now we are customs.
Just touch down，太好啦！飲杯飲杯飲杯飲杯，飲杯飲杯。呢個即係 confirm 就真係輕鬆晒。食嘢啦！真係開心。
終於見到你啦 ，Jackie， 好開心啊！我哋行快啲啦，要食嘢3門。危險性好高，但係咧比較簡單，因為成個海上未得我睇部機。咁但係你喺呢啲荒山野嶺度，跟住降落傘都冇咩用。你都行2日。冇錯，我哋到咗之後，間餐廳已經閂咗啦，酒店餐廳。慘豬啊
Hello， 我哋全部人都為你好高興啊！你
1/3咋。聽日都應該有個 gap 可以過到嚟嘅。
呢度係橫風橫雨啊，好大風好大風啊！你真係要計準先好出發。我今日都頭先好擔心啊，最尾嗰幾分鐘我都以為你掹咗降落傘啊。
因為唔係啊，飛入嚟依段嗰啲冚唪唥山嚟嘅，冇信號嘅。
好啦 ，Iceland 有啲嘢等住你嚟做嘅。
好啦，係咁。
OK，
好，慢慢食嘢啦，拜拜。
拜拜。
係咪好假？係 cut 咗。Together we drink. Yeah. Non-stop. Outside, inside. The last. Sugar. Muscle. This time, if the team go, I invite you, all of you, to watch. 我自己學飛機嗰陣時，我自己係講緊21歲。當呢段片出街嘅時候，我都47歲啦。咁樣隔咗24-5年，年紀都唔細啦，享受下人生。No choice, grab take her. Yeah. Maybe. Good. Very happy to be in Greenland for a few hours. Okay, everyone, happy birthday.
She will be saying hi.
Natasha Quick Sears 9994 Charlie Echo, holding short runway 24 at Bravo, request taxi back for a full runway length takeoff for IFL departure. Okay. Airspeed 30, positive rate 90 knots, flaps on.
2 miles out, or flight level 100 for Charlie Echo.
So this is a great use of TAWS, right?
Yes.
The tops of the clouds are under about 3,000 feet.
Roger, thank you.
Roger, thank you.
You're welcome. Had a good day too. So long.
So sweet.
So sweet.
我哋今日嚟呢個團咧，就係去 Lava Tube。雖然喺一個洞裏面啦，好大啊呢度，係冇 echo 嘅呢度。當啲燈光打落去嘅時候就，哇！真係好靚，去咗第二個世界。咁頭先咧最震撼嘅咧就係呢個導遊咧，佢叫我哋大家企穩啊咁樣啦。岩洞裡面嘅射燈咧熄晒，係熄咗幾分鐘喎。咁就岩洞裡面啲水滴聲，所以好值得嚟呢度嘅。
Okay, oxygen power perhaps verified up. 20 pump is on fuel as well. Nature. Good.
This is magical.
Absolutely. It's so beautiful.
Yep.
Blue. You see between the cracks of the ice?
Yeah.
It's bright blue.
Yeah, this is insane. Yeah, it's insane. Look at how like clear that water is. Like
I know.
glassy.
You wanna go for a swim?
Sure.
咁我都好耐冇玩過，做好 beginner 嘅 horse riding。我而家好有啲緊張啊，因為頭先去咁樣，20幾年前玩過之後未騎過馬，咁好開心今日。超凍啦，好大風。Thank you for your ride。
你好啊，我想問下你，你覺得 Annika 點啊？因為你咩叫馬不停蹄啊？咩叫馬到功成啊
Okay. What? Message time to everyone. My wife. What do you think? Should I run the TKS?
No. Nope.
Oh, we see the ocean now.
How are you?
Can you imagine 4 hours just looking at the water like this? Pretty amazing.
No icebergs here.
No more.
Why are there icebergs in Greenland, but no
And
icebergs
in Iceland, yeah, weird.
即係舊年嘅中秋，佢咪載咗我上去賞月咯，夜晚。
咁浪漫。
係啊，本來話不如帶埋月餅去食啦咁樣。我話會唔會即係個 co-pilot 會覺得咩㗎？咁冇最好冇帶月餅。
Oh, there's the airport. Nice.
Reykjavik Tower, Cirrus 90904 Charlie Echo is inbound for the RMP runway 19. Speed check, flaps in.
Yeah, let's try and land kind of short so that way we can make that left turn before the intersecting runway. You know, you dream bigger than anybody else.
It's not really a dream, it's just do it, right?
Yeah, it looks like we're going to Reykjavik Aero Center.
à, 嗰位嘅新歐嚟嘅係大件嗰啲係咪？係攬下算咪啊？你真係你嚟喎，原來頭先嗰個。係啊。係啊，頭先個真係你嚟喎，原來。係我嚟㗎。我頭先我老婆好肥㗎。
真係。
咁我冇見，有冇啲咩？
我慣咗㗎，慣晒嘅。
我唔慣喎。
唉，好啦，唔慣。
因為呢次係真係好，呢個唔係講笑喎，呢個過兩次大海。
聽日我做仲大。
係咩？
佢話靚條嚟㗎嘛。
會唔會真係咁大啫？
係，差唔多啦，3個差唔多。
咁跟住咧？
跟住咪行辦飛陸地㗎咯。基本上。好。
你啲行李咧？Congratulations! I made it. We made it. So happy. 咁啊喺 Greenland 咧，因為我都求咗天主要保佑佢一路順風過到嚟 Iceland， 再延續去另外一個 destination。所以而家咧，我就帶佢嚟
灣山。
灣山。
我係要上去食嘢啊！喂，好肚餓啊！
好啊，事不宜遲。
喺啲鎮仔住咗7個禮拜。
我老公就撐台腳啦，咁你哋唔使發啦，拜拜。
遲啲見。